UPSC has a way of showing you the reality in different way. So 45 days में ना इमारतें बन जाती हैं. आप तो प्रीलिम्स की बात कर रहे हैं. I think आप ऑलरेडी तैयार हैं. आपको बस वो एक फियर का फैक्टर हटाना पड़ेगा. It's not a lonely journey. Don't make it lonely. And by God's grace, if you get beautiful mentors like Sir over here. I remember I came crying to Sir about CSAT because I lost 2023 by 1 mark in CSAT. And that costed me a year. And Sir was so gracious that Sir was like, it's okay, let's do it together. I used to sit here.
I'm here with you, but only thing what she mentioned, you have to overcome your fear. The rest, I take your responsibility. I will try my best, but CSAT will not stop you. So students, we have one of the topper with us, Akshara Chauhan. And I remember her seat. She used to be sit here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and she is our classroom student only. And she got 701. And that is like for us, it is an achievement.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Sir.
Sir, it is all because of you. I can't, sir. You do that, sir.
No, you do. You
No,
do.
sir, please, sir, you do that. Sir, seriously, it's because
No,
of
you have to do.
Sir, may I please?
Thank you. So let's have some insight from topper for 5-10 minutes.
This was my 5th attempt, kind of like. But my first attempt was in 2021, which I gave after 2 months of preparation. I thought that since I was working, I'm smart enough, which was not the case. UPSC has a way of showing you the reality in different way. This was my second means and first interview.
Have you learned in your journey, basically, like breaking down in those preparations?
That you gotta get up. And there is nothing as a lonely preparation. You tend to seclude yourself from the entire world, your family, your friends. It never helps. You'll get more frustrated and your positive points are going to turn against you. Might as well be with people who encourage you, people who believe in you. And today I'm sitting here because one of my friend gave an entire year for me. Today his name is not there so that my name could be there. My father suffered health issues in my first mains, but he still encouraged me. My mother gave up her entire thing to be there with me. My brother gave up his preparation to be there with me. My friend who gave an interview with me, his name is not there, but today he's celebrating that with me because my name is fortunately just because of the pure luck it's there. So yeah, I think it's not a lonely journey. Don't make it lonely. And by God's grace, if you get beautiful mentors like Sir over here, and I'm not trying to be, I'm not trying to sell a course or anything. I remember I came crying to Sir about CSAT because I lost 2023 by 1 mark in CSAT. And that costed me a year. And Sir was so gracious that Sir was like, it's okay, let's do it together. I used to sit here and I attempted Sir's questions and it gave me the confidence. And I think if you guys have attempted 2025 paper, you would realize that CSAT was slightly on the tougher side. At least the maths questions were. And in the paper, I just realized is that it's okay. I'll not be fearful. I have done enough. And even if I haven't, I'll at least be decent to what my mentors have taught me. So that's it. Thank you. Sorry?
Consistency, not to make it consistency. Like every day we are not full of that confidence, that motivated to 8 hours or 12 hours. So what to do?
Okay, I'll just ask you one thing. What is the reason why you wanted to become a civil servant? Okay, but there is one story, one reason which you hold very dear to your heart. Every time you remember that, you won't be able to do anything other than that. For me, it was something related to law. And when I saw that case, I knew as a matter of fact, I don't want to run behind seeking justice for people. I want to be a part of it. And that was the time when that story was the reason when I was sick or my family member was sick or when I saw people give their attempts for me. I still had that one hope in my head that, yeah, that story. So that will bring consistency. And if you're true to yourself, nothing else matters. Yes, sir.
My classes at my class of GS has over now. So there is a like only 40 to 45 days of preparation. So what should we do so that we got the presence in 40 to 45 days? First, second,
सर 45 डेज में ना इमारतें बन जाती हैं. आप तो प्रीलिम्स की बात कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक आप ऑलरेडी तैयार हैं. आपको बस वो एक फियर का फैक्टर हटाना पड़ेगा और PYQ सॉल्व करिए. आई थिंक सर की टेस्ट सीरीज आप लोग सॉल्व कर ही रहे होंगे मार्केट में, और बाकी पेपर 1 के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज हैं वो सॉल्व कर लीजिए. एंड इट डज नॉट मैटर आपके मार्क्स आ रहे हैं या नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा भरोसा खुद पे, आपके खुदा पे, और थोड़ा सा फैमिली पे रखिए. और अगर आपके मेंटर्स ने आपको पढ़ाया है तो कुछ तो भरोसा होगा ना आप पर. तो बस उतना ही है. फियर मत लाने दीजिएगा, बस इतना ही है. तो उनसे दूर रहिए. Peer pressure, peer is a word which is there to support you, not to pressurize you. If they're pressurizing you, you are in the wrong group. Today, I know what my friends gave for me to be here. So yes, I'm actually feeling very shaky to just say that what all they have done. So yes, peer is not with pressure. Peer is with love and affection and motivation. So yeah, thank you. Chaliye.
After your first men's failure, like what changes did you incorporate when you were sitting here?
Okay.
उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ.
Ma'am, my first means was actually after my first attempt only, like proper first attempt. So I thought I was too smart, and I just went to the coaching centers, collected all material, and started writing random things. Okay, and I thought that, oh my god, I'm so genius because I can remember things. And then I got the shock of my life that I'm not a genius. I'm as stupid as a person can be. But that was my problem. And somehow I rectified it with, of course, beautiful mentors, but also believing that you can do wrong and you can work on that wrong by making simple notes and then simplifying them further and then simplifying them more. I also don't know why they gave me low marks in mains, and I have to work on that as well. Probably we'll be working together. So, all of us. So, that's that. I think it's just practice and PYQs. I wrote more. I wrote a lot of PYQs, especially in my optional. So, yeah.
There's one thing if you done your best in your age of dreams, first times, but still in those days when you are not able to penetrate that paper, but you gave your best, but you are not able to clarify that. What was the mistake you rectified?
In prelims, fear.
Clearly.
Fear. You think you are below the paper, or you think you are way above the paper. You don't match the level of the paper. When you think that you either are too smart or you're too low, that's when the issue comes. Knowledge is not an issue. You guys are all reading, learning continuously. किसी एक दिन 8 घंटे हो गया, किसी एक दिन 2 घंटे हुआ, किसी एक दिन 12 घंटे खींच लिया, किसी एक दिन नहीं सोए, खाए पिए, नहाए, बट पढ़ाई किया, और किसी दिन शायद दोस्तों के साथ थोड़ा घूमने चले गए. But it is actually the level of your mind that you need to work on. Don't be scared. Just keep on practicing.
If you're giving your best in those days, but still not getting the expectations of your marks, then what you were doing?
So you try harder. Who gave you your life is very long. What made you think that was your best? You still have time. You don't realize that every single time all of your destinies are written somewhere in the sky. So what makes you think that one failed attempt was your best attempt, or one brilliant attempt was your best attempt? You can do better. You can always do better. You gorgeous minds. Come on. Give yourself some credit. Yes, sir.
first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
So my question is what was your approach in the final upcoming months, and also on the exam day, how will you manage the question paper
Okay.
of the CSAT?
Okay. So in CSAT, we have three sections: English, logical reasoning, and maths. Now you need to identify which is your strong suit. Like mine was English. So I used to always solve English first. But everyone has different strategies, right? Then I realized that English is not going to make me get across the line, or it's going to just put me on the line. Why to take such a big risk, right? So then I started working on the second best option, that was logical reasoning. But now I was not satisfied. It's like, come on, what if? Right? So I worked a little on maths. Now, as sir, I think sir might have told you guys about it, that there are certain topics which are repetitive and which are marks fetching, right? So I did that. What I did was that, and I'm not kidding, okay, I still have that book, and this time also I'll revise it. So everything that sir taught, I made 2 copies of it, just 1 copy and then a bit of the second one also. I kept on going through it. Now people thought I was mugging maths, but no, what I was doing is I was revising it to ensure that if something strange comes, I don't get scared. And on the day of paper, okay, I did not go crazy by trying to remember all the formula. I did that in 2023. It did not fetch me anything. Rather than that, I thank God. I touched the feet of my parents. I just saw the copy from the outside once. I was like, it's okay. Let's just go and try to give the paper. That's it. And PYQs. That's important.
So it's like a proud moment. There are students get selected from online also, but I don't know their face. That is the problem actually. Offline students, like here, earlier like I used to have very good memory. I used to remember their batch number also, but अब लग रहा है थोड़ा सा middle age पड़ाव आ रहा है, ठीक है? तो I'm facing problem to recollect batch number, but face देख के याद आ जाता है, हाँ this is my student, offline hybrid student. तो there are students like even last year one student, she used to sit in first row, है ना, कशिश. तो I think you can also be that, ठीक है?
You will be.
Yes. Like what I have seen कि कशिश and like in front of you, like she has written mains. तो once they have done coaching, फिर भी कहते हैं कि सर हमें CSET करना है. They put, sir, we want to revise with you. We want that confidence level again. And like we don't want कि CSET ने जो हमारे साथ पहले किया, like what CSET has done to us earlier, so that same story will not repeat. We don't want to miss our attempt. So that's why like here. And I don't know, like she has told like in 2023 she just missed by 1 marks. And here many students, what they think like here, and many students, they do mistake also at this level, like my score is 60, so I need only 66 plus, and what they do patchwork in the sense they try to do only number system, or they try to cover some PYQ and they appear in the exam and same story repeat. I think in my very first class I told you that you have to make your foundation strong. You have to put your 6 month. अगर आप सोचोगे कि like 6 month effort just give you a 10 marks extra, is it worth it? I tell you this is worth it. This is worth it. मतलब वो like that 6 month of effort will help you to clear your prelims. Then luckily I used to get like here super students. I used to get like here serious student. That is like God gifted to me from my starting day of teaching. हमेशा मुझे serious crowd ही मिला. Otherwise I know there are some platform जहाँ पे क्या भीड़ तो है, but that crowd उनको पढ़ाना like here वो achievement नहीं है. And that's why I left also an online platform. पहले एक बार पढ़ाया था, but I need that like here sense of happiness कि मैं कुछ अच्छे स्टूडेंट को पढ़ा रहा हूँ और मुझे एक sense of feeling आनी चाहिए कि हाँ there is some achievement, कि मैंने पढ़ाया उनको समझ में आया और कुछ result भी आया वहाँ से. So from Waziram days, I'm lucky enough to get serious crowd. So that's why I'm very lucky. I know there are many students, CSET is just a problem, और CSET जैसे ही होता है ना, like they are able to qualify mains, they are able to qualify interview, and they are ranker. There are n number of example we have. So there are n number of students here, even online students also, offline students also. See here, might be only CSET is a problem for you, but like this is my promise. As I drop a message, these days I'm not feeling well. So, but I tell you my experiences. Like even in 2021 also there was some health issue in my family. So what I used to do, morning class I used to take in evening. Like daytime we have to go to rush to hospital. But I got so wonderful crowd. Like here I asked them student ki like here in morning I will not able to take class, I will take class in evening, and that time online class hi chal raha tha because of COVID time. And then student they told me, sir, don't worry, night 8 to 10 we have done classes. So it's my promise, it is I think just a week time, so I will recover my health totally, and whatever doubt, I'm here with you till your prelims. April month is totally with us, May month is totally with us. Whatever number of doubt you have, I'm here with you. But only thing what she mentioned, you have to overcome your fear. The rest I take your responsibility. I will try my best. That CSET will not stop you. But आपने बस अपना एक fear को overcome करना है. That's it. Otherwise, CSET is not that difficult. I have that confidence in myself. If you send a 6th standard candidate to me, 6th standard student to me, I have that confidence in me. I can make him or her to qualify CSET. That confidence I have. But only the thing, you have to overcome your fear. Because I have seen students कि वो fear के साथ class में बैठते हैं, they have a block in their mind कि नहीं मेरे को नहीं समझ में आएगा. First you open that door. And here, luckily, we have to score 66 plus. And that we know, that we can manage. Like here, English, there are 3 sections we have. So we know. Here, it is not that you have to be master. Okay? I don't want competition also. Okay? So I don't want you have to be master in that CSET. Only the thing we have to qualify CSET. Only the thing here is, like here, CSET will not waste your 1 year. That is our point. And that is achievable actually. Okay, so give us 5-10 minutes, so do revise. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much.